You will not believe the secret ingredient in this chocolate mousse. Instead of using the usual cream, we're using avocados. Same indulgence, but way healthier. And it's done in under 10 minutes. Let me show you how. Start with your dark chocolate. Use at least 70% cocoa for that deep, rich flavor. Microwave for short 20-second bursts, stirring in between. You want it smooth and glossy. Slightly warm is perfect. Now that the chocolate is slightly cooling, scoop 2 ripe avocados, soft, not firm, into your blender. Here's the magic. Avocado doesn't actually make it savory, it just makes it unbelievably smooth. And unlike cream, avocado gives you heart healthy fats, fiber, and no heavy dairy crash. And trust me, it's just as delicious. Pour in your melted chocolate, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. The salt sharpens the chocolate and deepens the flavor. Now blend everything until it's smooth, and I mean smooth. Scrape down the sides, blend again, and keep going until you get a thick, glossy mousse. Now it's your chef moment. Always taste before you serve. Let's try it out. Beautiful. If you want it sweeter, add a bit more honey. If you want it more intense, darker, add a tiny bit more salt or more chocolate. This is the beauty of the recipe. It adapts to you. So make it happen. Pipe the mousse in serving glasses, or in this case, our avocado bowls. Smooth the tops and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While it chills, make sure you follow for more simple and delicious recipes like this one. Right before serving, add your toppings. We'll be adding some macadamia nut and caramelized avocado, but you could also use some cacao nibs for crunch or fresh berries for brightness. Maybe even a little whipped cream if you're feeling extra. And there you have it, dark chocolate avocado mousse. No cream, no baking, no sugar crash, just pure velvety chocolate bliss. Let's try it out. It's looking gorgeous. Oh. The smoky depth from the charred avocado and the buttery crunch from the macadamia is something that will have you wanting more. Believe me, try it out. If you make this, tag us and tell me, what unexpected ingredient should we turn into dessert next?